Want to update, add or remove saved info like names, addresses or credit cards on your iPhone? Here's how to manage autofill settings for Safari in just a few taps. Like and subscribe for more smart iPhone tips. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Safari. Inside Safari settings, tap on Autofill. Now you'll see three main sections. Use contact info. Tap this to choose which contact card Safari uses for filling in names, addresses, and more. You can update your personal card in the Contacts app if any info is outdated. Credit cards. Tap Saved Credit Cards and use Face ID or passcode to view or manage your cards. You can add, edit, or delete any saved card here. Names and passwords. To manage usernames and passwords, go back to the main settings screen and tap on passwords. From here you can view all saved logins, update passwords or remove old ones. By keeping this info up to date, Safari can save your time when filling out forms or checking out online, and you stay in control of your personal data. That's how to manage autofill information on your iPhone like a pro. Like and subscribe for more iOS tips and privacy tricks.